Okay guys, how about it? Big Bruce here, die-cast gypsy. Finally getting this thing painted up. Got to tack that board down on the corner there. But I think the blue's coming together pretty good. I hand brushed it with all the little intricate pieces and stuff. It's taken forever to paint. I'm Mr. ADHD, so I get going on everything. So I broke out a couple of the vehicles. I'm going to be rusting up for some of the other dioramas. Put some age on these beauties. Do up that one for the wall. So yeah. Catch you guys again soon and show you what's next. Okay. Some of the cars are just rusted up. I think they turned out pretty good. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to get the lighting working right. And the Halloween edition pickup. Blacked out the frame. Put some old school white walls on it. Still gotta paint the headlights in. I think it turned out pretty good. So that's for the rusty gems. Everybody's seen the Chevy that I put into the old barn find diorama. I think they came out pretty good. There's a few other techniques I want to try. I'm still perfecting it, but let me know what you guys think. So we're finally adding to the barn find diorama. I'm going to put old Chevy in the yard. Probably put some moss up on the roof and stuff, some shrubbery around it. The door sitting inside. So yeah, I think that kind of pulls it together pretty good. Sorry guys, the way that the new desk sits, it casts one heck of a shadow. Okay, how about it guys? Sorry, we got Mortal Kombat playing in the background. My girl's playing the Xbox. So we finally got the shrubbery. Got some moss growing on the car. What do you think, William? I had several people that follow me suggest that I definitely put something in the yard, so definitely think this adds something to it. The other side might get a little something too. Like I said, I don't want to take too much away from what's going on inside. Got the door chilling out inside there. Yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. And let me know what you think about throwing the pieces and bits of videos together to make one whole one. If you guys like it, let me know. I'll keep it going. As always, hit the like button, leave a comment, and take it easy.